Howdy friends, I'm installing the legs, and I'm using, I'll show you, ta-da! I'm using these lag insert nuts, and then they fit a 1/4 20, and you can see here little furniture screws. They look pretty slick. Got a little cutout for it to sit in nice, looking good, looking good. But I found the Allen key screw in here at the top. If it'll focus, guess it won't focus. Oh, there it goes. Sucks. First two just stripped right out on me. I was like, alright, well this is stupid. So what I decided to do, and it works, you take a 1/4 20 bolt that's the same length as the thingy, and then you just use your drill to drive it in. So yeah, I'm gonna see if I can get a shot of it going in. Let's see if I can set you guys up here. Probably. There we go. Yeah. I'm going to be over the time for a short, but, you know, if it'll stand up. Oh, you dingus. You massive dingus. Maximum dingus. There we go. You got a little bit of a corner on you, but that's okay. You just gotta edge it in nice and slow, like. You just gotta drill it nice and slow at start. Just like this. So I go until the thing touches, and I don't know if you can see it there, but it's still sticking out a little bit. And then just very carefully, you get down nice and close to it like that, and then you just guide it in. Like that. And then, reverse it. It comes right out. Just like that. And then it's in there nice and good. So there you go. Now you guys know how to do furniture nuts, lag nuts, without stripping them and tearing your hair out. And these were the good ones, by the way. These were the good ones. I got them from Lee Valley. And they suck, so the more you know.